In this video, I'm reviewing Bluedot. We'll cover the bot-free recording experience, the AI-powered summaries, and the deep CRM integrations. By the end, you'll know exactly if this is worth the $39 price tag. Now, the link to Bluedot is in the description. It's my affiliate link, which helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. So if you find this video helpful and decide to give Bluedot a try, I would appreciate if you use my link. Now, let's get started. Part 1. The basics. If you have ever been in a meeting and felt like you were constantly typing instead of actually listening, Bluedot is designed for you. It's a cross-platform AI assistant that acts as a digital note-taker for your entire professional life. Whether you're on a Zoom call, a Microsoft Teams sync, or a Google Meet brainstorm, Bluedot captures everything in the background. Unlike other tools that send a clunky robotic assistant into your meeting room, Bluedot stays completely invisible. It records your screen and audio directly, providing a word-for-word transcript and an AI-generated summary, so you never have to write a follow-up email from scratch again. Part 2. The pros. The biggest win here is the no-bot approach. We have all seen those awkward moments where a meeting bot joins a call and someone has to ask who it is or if it's okay to record. Bluedot eliminates that social friction entirely because it runs quietly without interrupting the flow. Now, another standout feature is its versatility. It isn't just for your computer. The Bluedot mobile app is a game changer for in-person meetings. You can record a face-to-face coffee chart or a boardroom presentation, get an instant AI summary, and have it synced to the same dashboard as your virtual calls. This makes it a true all-in-one hub for your conversations, regardless of where they happen. Now, beyond that, it's built for global technical teams. It supports over 100 languages and dialects. You aren't just stuck with a generic paragraph. You can use your own prompts to tell the AI exactly what to look for, whether that's specific pain points for a discovery call or a technical action items for a dev team. It even allows for custom vocabulary, so it won't get confused by your industry's specific jargon. Part 3. The cons. No tool is perfect, and there are a few things to keep in mind. While Bluedot's cross-platform setup is seamless, you do need to ensure you've granted the right permissions on your OS or browser for that invisible recording to work perfectly. There's also no true offline mode. You'll need an active internet connection for the AI to process your notes once the recording is finished. Finally, the free tier is quite lean. It gives you 5 meetings total for the life of your accounts. It's really designed as a trial to let you experience the bot-free workflow before committing to a plan. Part 4. The experience. Using Bluedot daily is incredibly smooth. Whether you're triggering it from your desktop during a Zoom call or opening the mobile app for an on-the-go meeting, the experience is unified. You just hit record and the tool fades into the background. The interface is clean and doesn't feel cluttered with unnecessary buttons. The AI chat feature is a huge time saver here too. Since it stores both your virtual calls and your in-person mobile recordings in one place, you can ask the AI, what were the action items from all my meetings this week? And it will pull data from both your office chats and your Zoom calls instantly. Part 5. Quality and reliability. Now, when it comes to the actual transcriptions, the accuracy is impressive, regularly hitting over 90% in clear conditions. The AI does a great job of distinguishing between different speakers, though you might have to manually label their names the first time you record with them. The video recording quality is sharp, capturing screen shares and slides clearly. Now, one thing to watch out for is your computer's memory. Since it's capturing high-quality video and audio in the background, it can be a bit of a resource hog. If you're running 100 tabs and a heavy meeting, you might notice some lag. Also, while it's generally accurate, it can occasionally struggle with very specific technical jargon. Though, you can now fix this by using the custom vocabulary feature to train the AI on your specific industry terms. Part 6. Price and competition. The market for AI note-takers has exploded recently. Bluedot's main rivals are still tools like Otter AI and Fireflies, which have more generous free plans but still use those visible meeting bots many find intrusive. Bluedot has moved toward a more premium model, with the Pro plan for video costing $25 a month, and the Business plan, which you'll need for the CRM features, coming in at $39. This makes it a bit more expensive than some of the newer local-only tools like Jamie or Granola that record your audio without a browser extension. However, for professionals who need their notes to automatically sync with Salesforce or HubSpot, Bluedot offers a level of workflow automation that the cheaper or bot-based competitors just can't match. Part 7. The verdicts. So, is Bluedot worth it? Well, if you are a sales professional or recruiter who needs an invisible assistant to update your CRM automatically, then yes, it is the gold standard for bot-free meeting intelligence. But if you're a student or a casual user on a tight budget who doesn't mind a bot joining your calls for a better free deal, then you should skip it. Alright, if you found this video helpful and are planning to try Bluedot, remember to use my link in the description. But before you go, tell me in the comments, do you prefer a visible meeting bot for transparency, or do you like the invisible approach better? Which side are you on? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.